Welcome to Quadax, the leading manufacturer of premium valves. Innovation, quality, and performance are the core values of our brand. With over 40,000 valves installed globally, the Quadax valve has proven itself through high functionality, safety, and reliable tightness. Our premium valves are 100% made in Germany for a global use in extreme applications. But you know what? Enough of the traditional company presentations. Most of the time it looks like this here.
We are not stiff, suit-wearing guys. We are passionate team players and burn for challenges and deliver innovative solutions.
Action!
Safety first.
Perfection!